Have you ever thought about how much money you could make from captioning? Caption jobs are one of the best beginner jobs for those who are looking for legitimate work-from-home opportunities. Making money by writing subtitles for videos and TV shows is easier than you think, just do it from the comfort of your home. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to get started with captioning and start making money in just a few hours. The best part is that it's so simple that even a complete beginner can make money with captioning. I'll show you the exact steps you need to take and show you the tools. But before we start, make sure to stay till the end of this video as I will share amazing methods to make $1,000 day. Also, I would like to remind you to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. Now, let's jump to our today video. Captioning is the process of adding captions to a video. Captions are text versions of the audio in a video. Captions help people who are deaf or hard of hearing, as well as those who cannot hear the audio clearly, understand what is being said in the video. There are many benefits of becoming a professional video captioner, such as being your own boss, getting paid while at home, etc. There are two types of captioning: open captions and closed captions. Closed captions can be turned on, off at any time and are useful for those who are hard of hearing, while open captions cannot be turned off. Closed captioning jobs involve typing out everything you hear. Background noises, the sound, the tone of voice, everything. Subtitles are simply converting the sound of a video to written text. There are two types of closed captioning jobs: real-time or live caption and offline caption. Real-time caption jobs. Live captioning is where you provide live text commentary for any video. It's usually done for live events and sports, and those skills require typing speed that is quick and accurate. Offline caption. This is the easiest option to start with. Offline captions jobs tend to be for pre-recorded videos. For example, with the increasing popularity of YouTube channels and content creators, you are sure to find captioning jobs there. Captioning jobs require good typing skills and an understanding of time codes. This means you must type your captions in line with the audio. Your, as well as your subtitles, must be in sync with each other. Here are the top captioner jobs for those looking to get paid for writing subtitles. 1. Captioning Star. Captioning Star offers a full suite of services in the captioning industry: live captioning, translation, subtitling, transcription, dubbing, voiceover and video post-production, and video editing services. 2. Caption Max. Caption Max was founded in 1993. In addition to captioning, they offer subtitling, transcription, localization, and description services. Caption Max provides equal employment opportunities for all qualified individuals. 3. Vitac. Vitac provides real-time and offline captioning for the millions of individuals in the deaf and hard of hearing community, creating equal access to programming, events, meetings, and education, and ensuring accessibility for life. 4. Vanan Captioning. Vana's captioning services provide 100+ language support to various clients around the globe. The various languages we support are Czech, Khmer, and Cambodian. Punjabi, Bulgarian, Welsh, Polish, Danish, Kurdish, Burmese, Farsi, Slovak, Lithuanian, Mandarin, Dutch, Chinese, Gujarati, Malay, and so on. 5. Happy Scribe. Happy Scribe is an online jobs platform that offers transcription and subtitling opportunities for people in the United States, the United Kingdom, Spain, France, Germany, Canada, Kenya, and others. 6. Caption Media Group. Caption Media Group provides subtitling, closed captioning, and translation services. They also offer to provide closed captioning for YouTube videos. 7. Capital Captions. Capital Captions is an online platform that connects freelance subtitlers, transcriptionists, and translators with companies that need their services. 8. Daily Transcription. Daily Transcription is a transcription company that offers transcription jobs with starting rates at 75 to 85 cents per audio minute. They offer an additional benefit with daily transcription, which is the ability to transcribe files in their own time and convenience. 9. Impact Media. Impact Media is a company that provides captions and subtitles for online videos. They are committed to providing the highest quality service and accurate translation to their customers. 10. CrowdSurf. CrowdSurf is a company that provides on-demand captioning, subtitling, and transcription services. They provide real-time captioning of live events and videos, as well as closed captions for videos on demand. They also transcribe audio files into written text. In the end, as a captioner, you can get paid up to $1,500 working from wherever and whenever you want. All the work is done online, and you have the freedom to choose what projects you want to work on. Now, it is a time of the amazing method I told you about at the beginning of this video. Imagine what it would be like to wake up and see $1,000 or more in your PayPal account each and every day. Everything from the initial steps of starting making money online, to the best techniques for enhancing your strategy to make money online. Click the below link and you'll be on your way to financial freedom. Thank you for watching till the end. Now if you found this video valuable, give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell to get all my new videos.